And inside, we've got Junebug, Polar, M&M, MJ, my dancing dogs. So Polar is Chihuahua Jack Russell, and MJ has to have kids. He is my ball player, and he's just cute as a button. And Polar's on the pool table now. Hi, Polar! Oh, and then we got Brittany and Fido. Fido's getting his own home. It's so funny. Earlier today, I'm like, it's raining, who wants nap time? They all zoomed inside and said, they all hopped in their crates. Come on. Come on. Why are you guys going upstairs? Come on. Yes. Hey. Oh. Welcome to my world. No, don't get on the pool table. Don't get on the pool table. Oh, anyhow, this is my rundown rescue, by the way. Yeah, the day those videos surface, I just come back from a transport. I really don't care what people think. I know what my rescue is all about. Come on! Come on, girls. Come on, let's go inside! Hey! Britney Spears. This is Wiggly Britney Spears. She's the pug shepherd mom. Come on, let's go out. So yeah, all these dogs are still available. Hi, Amy. Hi, MJ. Come on, guys. Let's go. This way, this way. Let's go on out. Let's go on out. Come on. Anyhow, for people that were concerned about all the crates after my transport being up front, I didn't have to remove them, but we cleaned them. Yeah, I still don't have a dryer. So, anyhow, this is going to be playtime for the next 2 hours. Playtime, playtime. And Coco's going to go crazy. She says, I want a friend to play with. She goes, my buddy April got adopted. She was my bestie. No fencing, no fencing. No fencing, be a good girl, Coco. Coco is a really good girl. She's a devoted family dog. Yes, she is, Coco. Yes, she is. All right, so these guys are still available. I'm not moving until they all have fine homes. So, please call me if anybody's interested. Every single dog's 100% vetted. Here, you guys want your toys? There you go. M&M, MJ. You want your ball? There you go. Go get your ball. Hey, I got more balls. More balls. Go get it. More toys. More toys. Hey, more balls. More balls. Who would like rings? Anybody want rings? Puppies want rings? There you go. More balls. More squeaky toys. Hey, more squeaky toys. Oh, and Ebony. Ebony is the little cute little rat terrier, but she does not like men. She was a burrito jump, actually thrown on a highway. So, and she will not put up with puppies. Huh, Lila? She won't, will she? Huh, Lemon? Ebony! Say hi, Abby. Hi. Hi, Lemon. Hi, Lemon. I love you. Lemon, we need to find you a home before we move. And Dominic. And Silo. And I forgot what we named him. But anyhow. All right, guys. Let me know. 31 left to go to be adopted.